Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss our AI robot is outstanding human type. From beating us at just to mastering high level math, AI is rapidly closing the gap on human intelligence. But what stands between us and a future where machines outthink us in every way? Alright. So we have got this report from Stanford University called 2024 AI Index. It is a massive document over 400 pages long and it is giving us a clear picture of just how far AI has come. The headline: AI has gotten so advanced that it is now matching or even beating humans at some basic tasks. We are talking about things like rapidly comprehension, classifying image, and even high-level math. It is not just beating us at just any way, folks. Now here is where it gets really interesting. The report says that AI is improving so fast and a lot of rest we have using to measure its performance are becoming outdated super quickly. AI is improving so fast, a lot of tests we have been using to measure its performance are becoming outdated super quickly. It's like lying to use a rule to make a rocket ship. AI just does not cut it anymore. In the past, when researchers came up with benchmarks to test AI, it would stay relevant for maybe 5 to 10 years. And now these benchmarkers are becoming irrelevant. That is how fast AI is progressing. Like the AI is learning the test and then surpassing is almost immediately. The report also talks about AI is being used more and more in scientist research. There is a whole chapter dedicated to it this year, which is first for the annual report. They mention projects like Genome from Google Deep Motion, which is helping chemists discover new materials so essentially. AI is helping to create new substances that could revolutionize industries and solve global problems. Then there is GraphCast, another DeepMind tool that is doing report and weathercasting. We are talking about AI that could potentially predicate weather patterns more accurately than other current methods. The implications for agriculture, disaster, and even daily life are huge. It is set of over 400 multiple choice questions that are serious stuff. So basically a PhD level stuff. When they tested it on actually PhD scholars, they could not only answer about 65% of these questions in their own field correctly. It is kind of scary how fast these systems are improving. We are at a point where AI is starting to outperform us human even on complex, specialized knowledge is tested, but also the progress comes at a cost. Training these AI models is incredibly expensive. The report mentioned that GPT-4, which powers the ChatGPT, reportedly cost $7-8 million to train, and Google's chatbot $191 million. That is not pocket change, folk. These numbers are like the GDP of small countries being poured in creating these AI systems. And it is not just money. The system uses a ton of energy and water to run and cool the data centers. This raising serious questions about the environmental effect of our AI development. In 2016, there was just one USA regulation that mentioned AI. Last year, there was 25 regulations. Now let's talk about something called as singularity, which is pretty weird concept. Basically, the singularity is the idea that at simple point may be shown. AI will become smarter than humans in every single way. It is a big deal because it would be the first time in history that we had sharing the planet with some other. The idea of singularity was popularized by science fiction Weimer Wang back in 19th century. The thinking goes like this: once machines can learn by themselves, they shall eventually surpass us in every way we measure intelligence. And this could lead to exponential growth in machine intelligence. Imagine an AI that is smart than us, creating an AI that is even smarter and so on. Some people are worried that super intelligent AI might not always have our best interest at heart. They are concerned about things like AI developing feelings of superiority or self-preservation that could make dangerous to us. There are fears that an advanced AI might see human as threat or decide to act against us. It is stuff of science fiction, but with the rate of AI is advanced, so experts think is really possible. We need to consider. But on the flip side, there are people who are really optimistic about the singularity. They think it could lead to incredible technological advancement, like super smart computers coming with the solution to all problems. The idea is that an AI with superhuman intelligence could solve problems that have stemmed up for centuries, leading to breakthrough in medicine, energy travel, space travel, and more. So when might this singularity happen? Well, opinions vary widely. There might be fundamental limits to artificial intelligence that we have not discovered yet. Now, if you are thinking that with all these advances in AI, we must be pretty close to singularity already, well, not quite. Now, there are several major challenges we need to overcome to achieve AGI. We need AI systems that truly understand context and meaning, not just process pattern. We also need to develop AI that can reason abstractly or creatively, giving beyond remixing existing information. Cracking the code on common sense reasoning is critical. Self-awareness and consciousness is also another challenge. There is also the question of motivation and goal. How do we create AI with internal drive that align with the human values? Hardware limitation are another obstacle. The human brain still outperforms supercomputer in energy efficiency and parallel processing. And thanks for watching video.